Crude oil daily forecast November 8th, fxempire.com. The light sweet crude market, as you can see, fell during the session on Thursday, closing basically at 94.22. We are below the 95 level. It did offer resistance, as one would expect, being a large round psychologically significant number, and therefore it looks like the market's probably ready to go lower. But we have an interesting scenario with today being non farm payroll day. The question then becomes whether or not the numbers, and we don't know what they're going to be, obviously, whether or not they're strong or weak. If the numbers are weak, you have to worry about whether or not there's going to be any demand, and that'll push the value of oil lower. However, if the numbers are weak, that also could keep the value of the dollar low because it means there will be no tapering, and that could push the value of oil higher. In other words, it's kind of a real mess, quite frankly. If the numbers come out stronger, then look for the possibility of tapering off of quantitative easing, and that pushes the value of the dollar higher, which brings down the value of oil. Yet at the same time, there is also the argument that it could bring up demand for oil. Confused yet? Probably. That being the case, we feel that this is probably a market that's best left alone, at least until the dust settles. Looking at the Brent market, it's a little bit clearer over here as we have broken down through some significant support at 104. We close at 103.55, and we feel that this market will offer selling opportunities if we rally, some type of weak candle, or a close below the lows of the Thursday session.